This 2025 Palomino Solaire 3060 RKTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Hewitt, Texas, 76643 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Waco. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.